This is Moringa tree, and this is one of the best economic tree when we talk about the health importance of this tree is quite enormous. This tree has a lot of medicinal benefits that is very interesting, and then I would like to share some of these benefits with you. But before then, I want to share a very quick story about how I got to know the importance of this tree. A few years ago, probably 10 years ago or more, there was an uproar about the importance of this tree. So a lot of people who discovered the importance and the medicinal impact of this tree, they began to raise alarm how one should have this. People began to buy the tree, people began to buy the seed. People began to buy the leaf because you needed to dry the leaf and grind it, so it has to be in a powder. So the uproar was much that a lot of people began to seek for the, in fact, it became scarce then. So that was what actually drew my interest. I wanted to know more about the tree, so I had to make research about the tree, and I found out that it has a lot of medicinal benefits, and that these are some of the things I want to share with you guys as we plant this very tree today. So since then, it drew my interest. I'm talking about 10 years ago or thereabout. So I know some of you know very much about this tree, and there are a good number of people that do not know the health benefit, and these are some of the things we want to share in this video today. So we're going to go ahead and plant the tree. We're going to divide them in bits as we plant them, edges to edge of our fence. So we can even sell once the tree matures. We can begin to sell to people. What I did right now, I had to cut them in bits. You can look closely and you see that we've cut them in bits. So we're going to plant them this way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them around the fence. I'm going to put them at the edges of the fence, so they grow from there. Basically what we're going to do is to, after now, when they must have grown, we are going to actually harvest them, process them, and actually sell, because this is a big money. This is a very important tree. Like I said, is very medicinal. It has a lot of medicinal benefits. So we're going to grow them here in sections, and then we'll sell them. So anybody that wants to buy, will actually sell to them. So right away, we're going to actually plant. So we're going to plant them in rows over here. Like I said, I'm going to plant them at the edges of the fence. So let's go ahead. So, moringa has been planted. You can see them. So, the spacing over here is actually 6 feet by 6. So, see. So, guys, let's look at some of the health benefits of moringa. So, we are done planting the moringas. So, let's look at the health benefits. So, you know what we are looking at. Number one, blood glucose regulation. So moringa plays a very big role in regulating the blood glucose level. So you can imagine that. So it's very important to take moringa. And let's look at another one. It says antioxidant. So moringa is an antioxidant. So also we look at it has a role to play in terms of diabetes, curbing diabetes or preventing diabetes. It also helps to boost your immune system. So the moringa also helps to boost your immune system. And we talk about heart health. So it improves the health of your heart. It improves and it prevents heart diseases. So if you're taking moringa, the seed, either the seed or the leaf, so it helps to actually play all this role. So we also look at anti-inflammatory activity. So moringa helps to prevent inflammatory activities in your body. So it's an anti-inflammatory agent. So we also look at cancer. It plays a very big role in cancer prevention, and we also look at anemia. It also helps to curb you having anemia, and also cholesterol management. It helps to manage your cholesterol level. So if you're taking a moringa plant, you are sure that your cholesterol will be regulated. And also digestion, it aids in digestion. And we also look at high blood pressure. It prevents high blood pressure. So you can look at, we can go on and on. What I have here is about 20. So, and we have more. So we can go on and on. Liver health, it improves your liver health. Moringa supports breastfeeding. So if you're a mother, if you're a breastfeeding mother, so if you're taking moringa, it helps to support breastfeeding. So it also helps the skin, helps to improve your skin, helps to enhance brain health. It fights inflammation, heals your wound, helps to also prevent arthritis, asthma, balances your hormone, helps your bone strength. It helps to prevent kidney stone and also in nutrition, reduces muscle fatigue. So they are quite vast. So we can go on and talk about the importance, the health importance of moringa. Let's look down, let's run through them again so you understand what we're talking about. We're talking about blood glucose regulation, antioxidants. It helps to prevent diabetes. It helps to improve your immune system. It helps to improve your heart health. Anti-inflammatory activity. It helps to prevent you having cancer. It also helps to prevent anemia. It also helps in cholesterol management. It also helps in digestion. It also helps to prevent high blood pressure. It improves your liver health. You can imagine. So moringa supports breastfeeding. It also improves your skin, enhances brain health, fights inflammation, heals your wound, helps to prevent arthritis, asthma, balances your hormone, and we talk about prevention of kidney stone and also helps to improve your bone strength. Then we talk about nutrition and reducing muscle fatigue. So guys, moringa is quite an important tree. So if you don't have moringa in your compound today, please do well to plant one. It helps. If you're taking, how do you take the moringa plant? You can actually get the leaves, dry them, and then grind them and take them in powder. So if you're taking your custard, if you're taking your tea, if you're taking anything, probably liquid, in fact, you can actually put it in your food. If you are eating your food, you can actually put in your food, turn, and then eat in your soup, in your fried rice, in any food at all you are eating, in all your meals, you can actually add moringa powder and then stir, turn around and eat. So you can go on and on. Then likewise the seed, because it bears seed. If you have the seed, you can grind the seed and also uh, do it that way. Add it to your food. You can chew the seed. It's edible. You can chew the seed. So these are the ways you can actually consume moringa to actually improve your health. So this is Tagro Farms. Stay tuned for more. Thank you very much. Please do well to subscribe to our channel.